clock struck 12:30 a.m., the world outside our windows was cloaked in the silence of midnight. The night air was crisp as we huddled into a chartered taxi. We were embarking on a journey to the mystical realm of Mount Bromo and an adrenaline-pumping trek to remember. Our destination, King Kong Hill, the launchpad for an ethereal rendezvous with sunrise and the majestic silhouette of Mount Bromo. And then it happened. The sky ignited in hues of pink and gold, a celestial symphony playing out before our very eyes. The sun, a reluctant debutante, cast its first rays across the jagged landscape of Mount Bromo. We stood in silent reverence, our souls entwined with the dawn, each breath syncing with the rhythm of nature awakening. Our journey continued as our Jeep taxi awaited to transport us to the foot of Mount Bromo. The engine roared to life, and we embarked on a roller coaster ride through the lunar-like terrain. Arriving at the foothill, a choice presented itself between the rhythmic gait of a horse and the challenge of forging our path on the volcanic ash. We chose the latter, our boots crunching against the otherworldly ground beneath. As we approached the foothill, we beheld the steps leading to the rim that seemed like a stairway to the heavens. With each step, the anticipation grew. Finally, the rim embraced us, and the world unfolded before our eyes, a vast expanse of beauty that transcended the limits of language. The volcanic landscape, cloaked in shades of gray and rust, stretched into the horizon, a testament to the Earth's ever-evolving artistry. Our journey to Mount Bromo was an odyssey of the senses, an adventure that transcended the boundaries of the ordinary. Every moment was etched into the fabric of our memories, a story that would resonate in the corridors of our hearts, a tale of a dawn, a volcano,